James' dad is 5 times older than James, and James is twice as old as his sister Sarah. In 2 years, the sum of their ages will be 58. How old is James now? So in our equation here, we're going to note that x will be the present age of James. So in our equation, it says here that James that is 5 times older than James. So we're going to note that present age of James is x, and dad's age will be 5x. And James is twice as old as Sarah. So if the James age is x, that will be 1/2 of the age of Sarah. In 2 years, the sum of their ages will be 58. So we're going to add 2 years to their ages. So that is 5x plus 2. James' age will be x plus 2, and Sarah's age will be 1/2 x plus 2. So we're going to get the total of all their ages, that is equal to 58, to get for our variable x. So that is the age of James' dad, 5x plus 2, plus the age of James, which is x plus 2, plus Sarah's age, which is 1/2 x plus 2, and their total is 58. Okay, add all the numerical coefficient of the variable x. That is 5 plus 1, that is 6, 6.5 x plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6, is equal to 58. Then subtract 6 to both sides, that is minus 6 minus 6. Okay, this one is cancelled out, that is 6 and 1/2 x is equal to 52. Then we're going to convert 6.5 to decimal, that is 6.5 is equal to 52. Divide both sides by 6.5. Cancel this one out. Then x will be 8.